Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm going to show you today how to make your own little at-home putting lab by taking advantage of the slow-mo camera on most cell phones by major manufacturers these days. We're going to be using pretty much a tripod and just kind of a ball marker and a Sharpie, and I used an envelope that I got in the mail to kind of get our geometric lines here. The distance of the lines is not going to matter. We're going to use some pretty non-specific geometry, and like I said, here's the stuff that I use. That ball marker, I got it like a PGA store or Edwin Watts. Ordered the tripod off of Amazon. There's the ball marker. I just used every line that was on it. We want as many lines as possible to kind of get it some base. I used a pre-existing straight line to kind of draw a line. I'm showing here how I kind of got these lines where they were. They're very non-specific. Use whatever you want. We just want to make sure that they're 90 degrees perpendicular, and we want to make sure that they're absolutely parallel. The closer we can get a line to where our center point is, I'm going to show you how to get that center point here as we're drawing a diagonal line across the two, just across it here, and we're going to cross it here, and that's going to give us the geometric center of whatever shape we're drawing. So that's why we don't have to be real specific about measurements. We just want to make sure the lines are square. If we could get one of those lines as close to where you're going to put the ball as possible, that'll help us to see what the square club face is going to look like at impact or at setup. But this is basically what it's going to look like here. You can draw as many or as little lines, as close or as far apart as you want. I will say that the closer you get them, the harder it is to see. But this is about the only distance we really need to kind of focus on. This is, about 6 inches, something like that. It's a little bit shorter than that envelope, which I think is an 8.5 inch envelope or something like that. So I'm just showing you how these straight lines are kind of adding up, and you'll be able to see right here where the face is dead. So we could tell when the face is dead square. And this is going to be real important when we start looking at the slow-mo video stuff, which I'm going to show you in the next video, how you're going to set all that stuff up as far as frame rates and stuff. But this is pretty much it, guys. You can watch it a couple times. I'll leave a link for some stuff in the description, but stay tuned for the next video where we're going to show how to set everything up to start recording this. All right, see you then.